औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine too. Today we are doing to start as you are seeing, जैसे कि हमारे पास सामने काउंटडाउन बुक 2 है और आज हम इसका करेंगे लेसन नंबर 5। लेसन नंबर 5 में हम क्या करेंगे जी बच्चों? लेसन नंबर 5 में हम लोग करेंगे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। क्या हम करेंगे बच्चों? जी बच्चों हम करेंगे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। इससे फर्स्ट वाले लेसन में हम लोगों ने किए थे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। असेंडिंग मीन टू क्लाइम, कि हम लोगों ने किए थे नंबर्स स्मॉल टू बिग। आज हम करेंगे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर? एज यू सी द डिसेंडिंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डी एंड डी स्टैंड फॉर रीडर डाउन। डाउन मीन नीचे, down mean नीचे. In ascending order we have to climb and in descending order we have to come down. Okay, so we have to write the number from the big to small. We have to write the numbers from the big to small. Now first of all you have to look at the pictures. Look at these pictures. These pictures will tell you, look at carefully from big, small, smaller and the smallest. Now we have to write the numbers from the big to small. Now look at these pictures also, these trees. These are also from the big, then the small, then the smaller and the smallest. Now first of all we have to write the big numbers, then the small, then smaller and the smallest numbers. Look at these pictures carefully. Now today we have to write the descending order. In descending orders we have to write the numbers from the big to small. Look here carefully. In ascending order we have to climb. Now first we have to climb here. Now we have to write the descending order. If we have to, जी बच्चों जैसे कि हम लोग अगर हम सीढ़ी चढ़ जाते हैं, हम लोगों ने ऊपर चढ़ गए, तो जब हम वापस उतरते हैं तो अब हम इसको यूँ नहीं कहेंगे कि नो इट इज़ नंबर 1। ठीक है, जब हम लोगों ने स्टेयर्स चढ़े हमने कहा 1 2 3 4 5 and 6। When we came down we have to read the counting from the backward counting. We have to say 6 5 4 3 2 and 1। ठीक है, हमने जो इसको नंबर्स दिया था नंबर 6, हम इसको नंबर 6 ही कहेंगे। और जब हम जैसे जैसे नीचे उतरते हैं तो हम अपनी बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करें। क्या हम स्टार्ट करेंगे? बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे। जी बच्चों जैसे कि आपको बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग तो आती होगी, हमें सिर्फ अगर हमें सिर्फ 10 से लेकर 1 तक भी काउंटिंग आती है तो हम अपने ईजिली डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, descending orders mean big to small. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1। जी बच्चों we have already know about the value of numbers and the place value। हमें पता है कि 100 is bigger than 10s and the 10s is bigger than 1s. In the same way we have to write the numbers in our copies. Now we are here to open our copies and we have to write the numbers in the descending order. Okay, now first of all I hope you have to understand how you have to write the numbers. Now we are here to open our copies. Look here carefully. First of all we have to draw our margin lines. After drawing the margin lines we have to write our day and date and we have to write the CW. Now what is our topic? G. Our topic is descending order. What is our topic? G. Our topic is descending order. First of all we have to make the block in our copies. Like we have to make the block in our ascending order. हमने जो इसकी चौड़ाई लेनी है, जो इसको इस तरह से लाइन्स लगानी है, वो हम लगाने हैं 9 ब्लॉक्स। कितने ब्लॉक्स लगाने हैं? 9 ब्लॉक्स। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 ब्लॉक्स में आप यूं लाइन लगाएंगे और जो यूं हमारी लाइन होगी नीचे जो इसकी लेंथ होगी वो हमारे पास होंगे 5 ब्लॉक्स। कितने होंगे? 5 ब्लॉक्स। जी क्लास, 1 2 3 4 एंड 5। 9 और 5 ब्लॉक्स के साथ 9 हम इसकी चौड़ाई रखेंगे, 5 हम इसकी लेंथ रखेंगे। तो हमने 9 और 5 ब्लॉक्स की मदद से हमने यहाँ पर एक ब्लॉक ड्रॉ कर लेना है। जी, ब्लॉक ड्रॉ करने के बाद हम इसके अंदर रखेंगे नंबर्स। अब फर्स्ट नंबर इज 531। व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 531. We have to left 1 2 and 3 blocks, then we have to write the next number. What is the next number? Next number is 864. 864. अब 531 उसके नीचे हम 1 ब्लॉक्स छोड़ेंगे and we have to write the next number which is 790. 790. Then we have to left 3 blocks again and we have to write the next number which is 452. 452. In these 3 blocks we have to write 684. 684. The class, we have to write the value of numbers. When we have to read the number names, we have to know that the tens is greater, the small number is ones, then came tens, and then came 100. We have to write 100 tens ones. Okay, then we have to write ones, tens, 100. We have to write because we have to know about the value of numbers and we write the numbers in descending order carefully and we don't have to do any mistakes. We have also write ones, tens, 100. As we know that the 100 is greater than tens and the tens is greater than ones, and we have to start from the big number. When we have to start from the big number, first of all we have to check from the 100. Which numbers comes on the 100? Okay, we have to start from the backward counting in the descending order because we have to came down, and as the picture shows that we have to write numbers from the big to small. We have to write the numbers from the big to small. So we have to read the numbers backward counting from the 9. First came 9. Is there any number in the hundreds? Nines? No. What comes after 9? 8. What comes after 9? 8. Is there 8? Oh, here is 864. First of all, we only check the hundreds. Okay. First is 864. We have to tick the numbers and we have to write 864. We have to put the comma. After 8, we have to come 8, 7. Is there any 7? Yes. Here is number 7. So, here is not only 7. So, here is only 1. So, we have to write where comes the value of 100 of the number 7. So our next number is 790. What comes after 7? 6. What comes after 7? 6. And here is number 6. 684. First of all, we only check the hundreds. Okay. 684. What comes after 6? What comes after 6? 5. Is there any 5? Yes. 531. 531. We have to put the comma. And what comes after 5? 4. And we have to left only one number which is 452. So we have to write 452. We have to write all the numbers, and it is very easy. We have only checked the value of hundreds. Now we have to come to the next questions. We have to leave 2 or 3 blocks, and we have to again draw a block, draw a shape of a triangle. 9, 5, 5, 9. 9 और 5 की मदद से 9 ब्लॉक्स हम इसकी चौड़ाई और 5 ब्लॉक्स जो इसकी लेंथ होगी, इसके मदद से हम एक ब्लॉक और ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसके अंदर हम लोग अपने नंबर्स लिखेंगे। जी बच्चों, हमने नंबर्स लिखे हैं। फर्स्ट इज 232, 248, 223, 218, 281. We have to write again the value of numbers and the place value of these numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. जी बच्चों, जैसे कि हमें पता है कि tens is greater than ones and 100 is greater than tens. First of all, we have to check the hundreds. Here is number 2. Here is number 2. Here is number 2. Here is number 2. And there is also number 2. Oh, what we can do now? Hundreds, if the hundreds are the same, we have to check the number tens. Very good. If the hundreds are same, we have to check the tens. Here is 3, here is 4, here is 2, here is 1, and here is 8. Yes, the tens are different. So we have to read the backward counting to check what comes first. कि हमने सबसे पहले किस नंबर को लिखना है। तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग आहिस्ता आहिस्ता स्टार्ट करेंगे। 9, there is no tens, 9. Now we have to read 8. Is there 8? Yes, here is 8. So we have to first of all write the numbers 281. What comes after 8? Now we have to left these 4 numbers. Okay, 7, no 7. 6, no. 5, no. 4, yes, here is number 4. Very good. 248. After 4, 3, yes, 232. 2, yes, we are checking the place value of tens. Okay, 223. And the last is after comes to ones, 218. जी बच्चों, first of all we have to check the value of hundreds. If the hundreds are same, we have to check the value of tens. If anywhere, if the tens are same, we have to check the value of ones. Okay class, in our class 5 we have to do these 2 questions of descending order. You have to know that in descending order D stand for down, down mean नीचे। ठीक है, तो हमें descending से ही पता चल जाना चाहिए कि start from the D, D means down, down mean नीचे। So we have to write the numbers from the big to small. We have to write the numbers from the big to small. Okay class, we have to done our classwork now. Now you have to write your day and date and write the topic descending order. You have to write descending order topic. Now you have to again draw the block in your copies, ready your copies for the homework, and you have to do this homework on your copies. Okay, you have to write HW, topic is descending order, you have to make again the blocks in 9 blocks and the 5 blocks. Okay. After making the blocks, you have to write the numbers 769, 854, 699, 796, 969. You have to write the value of numbers, place value of these numbers, and after that you have to write the numbers. What comes first? We have to check the value of hundreds. What comes 9? So first of all we have to write the numbers 969. What comes after 9? 8. We have to write the numbers 854. What comes after 8? 7. Oh, we have to two numbers of the 7. One is 769 and the one is 796. What can we do now? Yes, if the hundreds are the same, we have to look at the tens. Here is 6 and here is 9. Which number is greater than 9 or 6? Yes, 9 is greater than 6. So we have to write, first we have to write 796 and after that we have to write 769. 9 is greater than 6, so पहले हम 796 लिखेंगे. After that we have to write 769. And what comes after 7? 6. And at the last we have to write the numbers 699. Okay. Now we have to come our next questions. You have to again draw the block in 9 blocks and the 5 blocks. After draw the block, you have to write the numbers. First is 491, 914, 194, 419. Last number is 399. You have again, first of all, you have to write the value of these numbers, place value of ones, tens, 100. When we write ones, tens, 100 in our numbers, it is easy, very easy, that we have to write the numbers in descending order. Either we have to write in ascending order, either we have to write in descending order. It will make lots of help. Okay. So we have, first of all, we have to read the backward counting 9. Is there any 9? Yes. 914. First of all, we have to write 914. Then 8, no, 7, 6, 5, 4. There are two numbers 4, 491, 419. If the hundreds are the same, we have to check the value of tens. We have to check the value of tens. Here is 9 and here is 1. Which number is greater? 9 is greater than 1. So first of all, we have to write 491 and then we have to write 419. Okay. What comes after 4? 3. So we have to write the numbers 399. What comes after 3? 2. Here is not 2 and last is 1. And at the last we have to write the numbers 194. क्लास जी बच्चों, अगर आप लोग नंबर्स को देखेंगे, इनकी वैल्यू को चेक करेंगे, सबसे पहले आप इसकी हंड्रेड्स की, दैन टेंस की, दैन वैन्स की वैल्यू चेक करेंगे, तो आपके लिए इजी हो जाता है कि आप लोग इन नंबर्स को अच्छी तरह से, चाहे आपने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना हो या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना हो, आप लिख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर नंबर्स देखें जैसे 914, 419, तो ये नंबर्स उन्होंने एक ही नंबर्स को जो बार बार वो मिक्स करके देते हैं, तो हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. हम भूल जाते हैं कि कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. तो अगर हम सबसे पहले हंड्रेड्स को चेक करें, फिर टेंस को, फिर वंस को, तो हमारे लिए ईजी हो जाता है कि हम अपने नंबर्स को आसानी से डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स में कर लें. जी बच्चों, हमने ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हम लोगों ने किया अपना क्लास वर्क में, और ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, जब भी आपको जो टीचर ने एक्सप्लेन किया, ये हमारा है होमवर्क। ठीक है, तो आप लोगों ने ये चारों क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह से अपनी कॉपीज़ पे करने हैं और इनको देखना है। ठीक है, और इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी करनी है। ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।